Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert euro currency symbol on your WPS presentation on your mobile version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the euro symbol on your WPS presentation mobile. To insert the euro currency symbol, so first if you're just clicking on the insert symbol option, if you're just searching for that, you can't find here on WPS presentation mobile because it doesn't exist here. So instead of that, you can just use keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard. You can just directly download this from the Play Store. So after opening the keyboard, you can find this number section first. Click on this, and here in dollar symbol, you just long press it, and you can find the euro symbol by long pressing on the dollar symbol. You will have this pop up, and you can just swipe it and just insert it. Long press it, swipe it, just select out of that position, just insert it. Otherwise, click on this symbol section again. You can directly insert the euro symbol. These are the two ways that you can just insert euro symbol on your WPS presentation mobile. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.